Assalamualaikum students. Today's grammar lecture and today we will learn about composition. Students, you know what is composition? A composition means how we can write an essay, application, letter or different other things. And today we will learn about essay writing. Students, you know essay means an attempt or effort. Essay means an attempt or effort. An attempt or effort means कोशिश करना. An attempt or effort means कोशिश करना. Students, basically essay is the name of creativity. Essay is the creation of our mind. We cannot learn essay, we can create essay while thinking different features about given topic. Students, we can write essay on many topics. We can write essay maybe on personality. In personality, we can write about my father, postman, doctor, different personalities. And on things or objects, we can write about my new shirt, my bicycle, blackboard, my bag. On anything or object we can write essay. And students, one more thing, when we want to write essay on anything or object, we always use present tense. Students, in order to create an appealing essay, it is necessary for us to think all features, use and purpose of given topic. Then we can write an appealing essay. Like today we will write about essay on object my bicycle. Students, firstly we will think all features, the use and purpose of bicycle. Then we can create an appealing essay. Like look at the first point. First we can write about what is it. It is a bicycle. And then next we can write about it is my favorite bicycle. Friends, next we can write about the color of bicycle. My bicycle color is red. And then we can write what is the bicycle made of. The bicycle is made of steel, iron, plastic, metal or other different things. We can write about the material of bicycle. Next we can write it has two wheels and one handle. It has also one seat. And students, next we can write about riding. I ride my bicycle while sitting on its seat. Here we are talking about the use of bicycle. Next, how bicycle work. Bicycle works, or we can say that runs, with the help of pedals and chain. Next we can write about its price. And next we can write about I bought this bicycle from shop. And if someone has gifted you this bicycle, we can write about this bicycle has gifted me my uncle, or we can say that my uncle has gifted me this bicycle. And students, next we can write about the wheels of bicycle. What is the shape of wheels? The shape of wheels of bicycle is round. Next we can write about I go to school on my bicycle. Next we can write about its brake. In order to stop the work of bicycle, we use brake. And at the end of the essay, you can give your opinion about the likeness or dislikeness of bicycle. Students, in this way we can create a lot of lines about bicycle. And students, listen one more thing. You will create maximum 15 lines on any given topic, whether you are writing essay in Urdu or English. And students, you will write these lines in paragraph form. Hopefully students, you got my point. While thinking all features, use and purpose of given topic, like all these features, you can create an appealing essay. And when we write essay on any object or thing, we always use present tense. Students, essay means attempt or effort, and attempt or effort means कोशिश करना. And essay is the name of creativity. Essay is the creation of mind. We cannot learn essay, we can create essay. Now students, you will write essay on topic my new shirt. इस वीडियो के आखिर पर मैं एक पैगाम वालिदैन को देना चाहती हूँ. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मोहतरम वालिदैन, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप खैरियत से होंगे. स्कूल इंतज़ामिया ने बच्चों से असेसमेंट लेने का फ़ैसला किया है ताकि बच्चों का रब्ता तलीमी सरगर्मियों से बरकरार रख सकें. इसलिए मोहतरम वालिदैन, मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप स्कूल इंतज़ामिया के साथ कोऑपरेट करें और स्कूल ऑफिस से आकर असेसमेंट कलेक्ट करें और असेसमेंट कलेक्ट करने के बाद बच्चों से अपनी निगरानी में पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ असेसमेंट हल करवाएं और असेसमेंट हल करवाने के बाद दोबारा स्कूल ऑफिस में जमा करवा दें। एंड पेरेंट्स, इधर मैं एक और बात वाज़ह करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर स्टूडेंट्स असेसमेंट में अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं और स्कूल खुलने पर अगर बच्चों से इम्तहानात लिए जाएं तो बच्चों के लिए इम्तहानात में भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसलिए आपसे गुजारिश है कि अपनी निगरानी में बच्चों से पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ असेसमेंट हल करवाएं। शुक्रिया।